Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from MadKin Beauty, and we're also going to be playing with the gel base and gel top coat, and we're going to be creating a bright, vibrant mani today. We're going to start off with Raspberry Sherbet. Now this color, it is everything. It is bright, it's pink, and we've been doing some Christmas manis here on my channel and playing with some darker colors, so I really wanted to switch it up with some really bright colors, and these colors from MadKin Beauty we're definitely calling my name. So this color right here, it's a solid bright pink. It is simply beautiful. We're also using the gel base today for the gel method from MadKin Beauty, which I think it's a phenomenal formula. If you like making press-ons, this formula is going to be the way to go. Or not, if you're not into press-ons, but you want to reduce and cut down on your bulk, this is a great gel base because it's a very, very thin consistency. And I want to let you know that a little bit goes a long way. So you can get like the tiniest amount on your brush and it will completely cover the whole nail. It is great, great coverage, and a little bit goes a long way. So just keep that in mind when you are using this product because it is a very thin consistency. You can get pretty heavy-handed on the product if your brush is completely saturated. So just a little bit of that gel base. So you can see here those two colors. Now we're going to go back in with 2 dips on each nail today. We're going to just finish up this pinky nail here. And when I am going in with the second dip, you will notice that I'm always going to go ahead and wipe off that brush on the paper towel before sticking it back in the bottle. I treat my gels the same way I do with my dip liquids, just to make sure that I'm not getting any of that powder inside those gels. I always want to take my time and just wipe off that brush. All right, so now that we have this bright, vibrant pink, we cured for 30 seconds and we are dusting off here. And we are moving on to some really fun colors now. Morning Glory, it's simply beautiful. It's just like a really awesome purple, but it has the most like gorgeous shimmer to it. So I felt like using these two colors together, Raspberry Sherbet and Morning Glory, would be the perfect combination for a really radiant ombre. So I'm just going to start off here with that beautiful raspberry color here, and then we're going to alternate into that beautiful purple today, and that is what we're going to be using today for an ombre. And these colors ombre together are amazing. They just flow and transition so well together. So wait till you see the finished ombre. It is just simply beautiful and really easy to do, especially when you are using the gels, because you can really take your time and get that ombre exactly how you want it, because it will not dry until you go ahead and cure that. And when curing, I do cure for 30 seconds. It really all depends on your lamp. But anytime I'm using any darker colors or anything like that, I still cure for 30 seconds. If you are looking for nail lamp suggestions, I also have some listed down below. Those are the 2 lamps that I use throughout the week when I am doing my manis. All right, so let's get into these beautiful powders. We're also going to be diving into a really beautiful glitter called Eye Candy here in just a minute, and then I'm going to pop back in just a few moments.
Every guy I've met, we fell in love at a bad time. Getting insecure, questioning myself on the way down. Now I'm so tired of breathing underwater. I just wanna float like a ship made out of paper. Right now I need to take care of myself, comforting myself like a roller coaster. One week I am up, next one I'll be down. But I'm getting closer to a stronger me, feeling free like a roller coaster. One stronger me, feeling free like a roller coaster. Grandpa used to ask why I'm single with such a pretty face. Where is your man? You should go out and chase him. Now I'm so tired of breathing underwater. I just wanna float like a ship made I get dressed up to go downtown. I'm all messed up on a Friday night. Not really here for a good time, but if you're up for drinks and a good crowd, raise your glass to the sky. Let's toast to that. All these people can stare. I don't care about that. This is my pity party. I'm gonna cry all night and I'll flip the bird at the guys. I don't need nobody. This is my pity party. I'll do just what I want, yeah. I'll dance on top of the bar. I won't come down on it. I'll just do what I want. This is my pity party, pity party. If my highs are highs, my lows are low, need to blow off some steam.
All right, so we're just wrapping up the filing and buffing here. I'm going to finish up the rest off camera, but all I needed to do was just gently clean up the sidewalls and the free edge and reshape ever so slightly, and that is all I needed to do with the filing and buffing. I did not need to buff directly on top with this mani because everything was laying super flat. Then after filing and buffing, I'm going to seal in this mani with another layer of gel base here, and you can really see just these colors come to life already with that first layer of gel base here. And this ombre is everything. There's just something about Morning Glory and how it just flows perfectly with raspberry sherbet. It is like the perfect combination. It's like these two colors were meant to be ombre together. And then we have eye candy, which just kind of tied in the two colors completely for me and just gave us a little slight touch here of shimmer. And I'm just making sure I am working that gel product all the way into all those nooks and crannies in that glitter nail, and I am curing as we go for 30 seconds. If you are looking for nail lamp suggestions, I do have a few listed in that description box below. Now to seal in the rest of the mani and to finish it up with an extreme shine, we're going in with a layer of gel top coat from MadKin Beauty, and this is a no white top coat. I finished the rest of the top coat off camera, and here it is. Now it says Extreme Shine on the top coat, and it's definitely living up to that name because we have this really awesome, it almost looks like a shiny candy coated mani here, and I am loving it so much. I wanted something bright and these colors were just what I needed, and we still added a little pop of sparkle there with eye candy. So not only are these colors perfect for that bright change of pace that we needed here, but these colors are also really great must-have colors for the summer season. And speaking of, Valentine's Day season is right around the corner, so these colors would also be perfect for a Valentine's Day mani as well. So everything that we use in today's video can be found in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed this simple, easy gel method mani, and I'll see you all in the next one.